Hi, today I have an interesting four-wheel combination padlock, very small one, and this was sent to me by Southampton Lockpicking Club. Guys, thank you very much for sending this to me. I will put links somewhere here. Check their channel, and they're awesome guys. And on the other side it said code inside if needed. Hopefully I will not need the code, so I'll put this somewhere here, and let's check the lock. Is Antler I think, four-wheel, press with some plastic, and it's locked. So let's get like another padlock just to fill the wheels. I put always 0, 0, 0. I think this is there's no markings, probably it's like here, so I will try to figure this out. So I think there is some gate, some gate movement, and this is now won't move, so this is moving a lot. This is not that much, and this is moving a lot. So because this is not moving, no, I think this is the number, probably 2, 7. This is not in the correct gate. I think now it's in the correct gate, and hopefully no, yes. So 5 Z. I cannot remove it from this padlock, so it's a pretty small one, so let me do it like this. Design flaw, what I can say. So the code is 5072. If that's the code, it's a bit of false gate, but let's check the code from here. 5072. Awesome. So this is with the false gate, but they're so crappy that the difference between false and true gate it's enormous. So it was pretty easy decoding. Guys, lockpicking, Southampton Lockpicking Club, guys, thank you very much for this padlock, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.